TraxNYC.com. Review item number 49781 for the Jesus pendant and 65709 for the St. Michael pendant. Two beautiful TraxNYC factory items. Now both of these pieces are solid 14K yellow gold, handmade in New York City's Diamond District. Beautifully detailed. You can make them in white, yellow, or rose gold. Everything comes with an appraisal and a warranty. Solid back, fully engravable, shop with confidence. I have personal jewelers standing by to provide concierge level service. Give them a call, 212-391-3832. Personal jewelers are standing by on the website as well. You can click the live chat button, chat with our reps, start a layaway, ask some questions. We love when customers ask questions. Best layaway policy in the business, best return policy in the business. Why shop anywhere else? TraxNYC.com for all your jewelry needs.